Alright, today we will change our background image or slider image on our website. Visit your site and here you will see the default image. Click on Customize. Okay, now you see a bunch of menus. Click on Background Image. Change your image right here. I'm gonna use this one. I will put all the files in the resources, all the photos, and you can use them. But you can also use your own content. Okay, this is looking pretty cool. It's looked like you have spent hundreds of dollars in it. Okay, you're gonna change the image. Now we're gonna save and publish first. We're gonna exit. Okay, that's looking pretty awesome. You get a beautiful site right now. I'm gonna click on Customize. And you're gonna use another image. Background image, change the image. I'm gonna choose this one, the bridge. Okay, that's pretty cool too. That's pretty awesome. Okay, now we're gonna use the last image. And that is this one that we're gonna use for this course, like you'll see in the promotional video. Okay, we're gonna save and publish, and we're gonna exit. Okay, that's looking great. That's looking perfect. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being my student. And I will see you in the next lecture. I hope you learned a lot.